Hello everyone, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesdays. My name is Dave McAfee and I'm the Director of Stratasys Sales here at SimQuest. Today we're going to talk about the process of embedding parts into 3D printed models using the FDM process. So here's the challenge. In many real-world applications, there are parts that need to be embedded inside of other parts, such as connectors, RFI chips, fasteners. Typically these things are done through insert molding. So here's an example. A major household appliance manufacturer needed to create a functional prototype of a shelving unit for a refrigerator. As you can see, there's a glass plate embedded inside of this. Now typically this could be done using cast urethane mold, but time and cost could be prohibitive, especially if we're only dealing with one part. And this is where FDM comes into play. With the Insight software that comes with the Fortus 3D production systems, it's easy to pause the print build, drop the part in, and then continue on finishing our part. In this case, we use polycarbonate, which is a widely used engineering thermoplastic. It's accurate, durable, and stable for strong parts. And as you can see, we got some really nice results, including the ability to slide the shelf in and out of the refrigerator. So what are the benefits of using FDM to create embedded parts? Well, number one, the ability to produce a functional prototype that's closer to the real-world application. And the second thing is we're able to reduce the costs significantly since there's no additional tooling required. Well, that's it for this session of 2 Minute Tuesdays. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.